Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mohsin. I am an Indian living in UAE, Abu Dhabi. I celebrate every Ramzan and Eid in the UAE and love the way they organize and celebrate in their traditional way. Ramadan is the month of Quran, prayers and du'as. When Ramadan comes, we all go to masjid to pray Tarawih with our mothers. But unfortunately, we can't do that this year because of coronavirus affecting the whole world. But we will try our best to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy by reading Quran and making dua. Be regular in namaz. We should do lots of charity, listen to our elders, and be kind to everyone. I helped my mom in Ramadan decorations. I also helped her in iftari and cleaning the house. If our parents are happy with us, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also happy with us. When Ramadan ends, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. On this day, we wear new clothes and offer our Eid prayers. My mom makes delicious food like shirkhurma and biryani. We greet everyone with Eid Mubarak. We also get Eid and gifts from our relatives. Lastly, I would like to thank Qatar Radio for giving me a chance to take part in the quiz program. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Qatar Radio. Jazakallahu khairan. Happy Ramadan.
رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران. رمضان يا رمضان يا نفحة الرحمن. رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران. كل عام يأتي زائر ليته دوما يطول. دائما يحمي البشائر كلنا يرجو القبول. أنت فيك الخير ضعفا فيك تحقيق الأماني. نسأل المولى قبولا يا إلهي يا رجائي. رمضان رمضان أنت فيك الخير ضعفا فيك تحقيق الأماني. نسأل المولى قبولا يا إلهي يا رجائي. أنت فيك الخير ضعفا فيك تحقيق الأماني. نسأل المولى قبولا يا إلهي يا رجائي. رمضان